Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. I just hit it today. So yeah, let's get on with what's going on with Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin, as we did pump a little bit, but now we are back to 39,200 and just chilling at that area now. If you look at this pattern over here, okay, and look at this run over here. Okay, this run over here, you can clearly see when Bitcoin had this downfall, and we in the monthly time frame, by the way, and you can see as soon as we made this higher low formation, we went towards the upside, and we kept on making this higher low formation until this higher low was broken towards the downside, and then we had a movement towards the downside. Okay, same way you can clearly see in the monthly time frame we have these three candles and we are still in this higher low formation, exactly like these three candles over here. Now until or unless Bitcoin doesn't break this low over here, which sits at let's see, which sits at about 37,000. Okay, or one other way to identify that is this area over here, which sits at uh, right over here. Okay, 38,432. If you see a monthly candle close below this, anywhere in this area, okay, any candle that closes in this area, let's say this is a candle, yeah, the movement can be towards the downside, okay, because you haven't closed any monthly candle below 38,432 in the monthly time frame. So this can give you an indication, okay? But at the moment, we are not making any bearish candles in the monthly time frame. You are making higher low formation, which is a bullish sign in itself, okay? Same way you made the higher low formation here. If this candle over here, you know, you have a candle that does this, something like this, yeah, then you have broken this higher low formation to a lower low formation, and then we can go towards the downside. But I don't see that happening at the moment, okay? Just pointing that out. Now, if you take a look at the whole formation of this graph in the monthly time frame, you can clearly see I've been pointing this out in my previous videos. Whenever we are in between the white and the yellow resistance and the support line, we are slowly moving towards the upside and still making this higher low formation in the monthly time frame. And if you look at the formation that we made over here as well, it's a pretty similar formation, okay? This was the Corona dump, but we went back up, okay? That's why it's outside of this support line, but slowly we move towards the upside. And the conditions in the world at the moment are very panicky, okay? And now, as much as I don't want things to go bad, in the world, sadly, it is good for Bitcoin. We have to keep this into account, okay? Anything, uh, you know, war kind of scenario, anything like that, it is actually beneficial for the cryptocurrency area or the market, okay? But I still don't want anything like that to happen. It's not good for our uh, our beautiful world, okay? So anyways, uh, you can see this formation, okay? And you can see higher low formation being made. So slowly, I am guessing Bitcoin will just keep on making something in between the white and the yellow line, okay? Until or unless you break this support trend line, and you can clearly see there was only once we broke it, and that was the Corona dump. So what are the chances? If it does break, yeah, we can go in a bear market, but it hasn't broken it. It broke it once over here, but just for 1 month. But then we had this area over here. Because of Corona, we broke it, and then we slowly started moving towards the upside because there are a lot of hungry people sitting at the 20,000s. Okay, if they can buy Bitcoin, if the whales can buy Bitcoin at 60,000 or 40,000 or 50,000? What makes you think they don't want to buy Bitcoin at 25,000, even 30,000? So that's another, thing that I feel that a lot of people are waiting for that 25,000 or 20,000. And I think even if it goes below this support line, okay, which sits at 36,000, then obviously you will wick down, and I believe it's gonna come right back up within a month. Okay, so that's my theory on the whole dump if it happens. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, okay, and you bring your EMAs, now you can see over here there was only once the 20 moving average crossed the 100 moving average. The yellow line is the 20 and the 100 is the purple line. Okay, once it crossed it, and you can also see we made this bearish triangle formation, which is a bearish pattern. Okay, so it crossed and price went towards the downside, and we are in the weekly time frame now. Same way, even over here when we had the corona dump, you can see we never crossed the 20 moving average with the 100 moving average. Okay, so I wouldn't even take this as a bearish sign. The price did come down, but it wicked right back up, and this is the weekly time frame. So you could also see something, this sort of a scenario, if a dump comes over here. Okay, now you can see how close is the 20 moving average from the 55 moving average, the green line. Okay, if even if it hasn't crossed yet, even if it crosses, I think that's a good sign, and I actually like what's going on over here. Okay, I like what's going on over here. The reason I say that, this people are accumulating in this area. Okay, and that's the only reason the moving averages are getting closer and closer to the price action. Okay, now what will happen is the people, who are accumulating Bitcoin right over here, slowly the moving averages are going to come very close to the price action, and then the price is going to start fighting these moving averages. And if you see in the weekly it breaks and gets on top of these moving averages, then that's your indication we have started our movement towards the upside. But if the moving averages are more powerful, okay, and we don't have much buyers that are fighting with these moving averages, yes, the moving averages can force the price to break this support line. Okay, so but I feel that we might just, you know, get above those moving averages because they are coming very close to the price action. Okay, an example, if I can see it, I can give you right now. Let's see. Okay, you can see over here, okay, what happened was, you can see how the price was fighting with the moving averages, but it failed to break towards the upside, so the price went down. Okay, so similar situation is going on over here right now. You can see how the price and the moving averages are about to collide with each other, and there will be an explosive move coming very soon within the weeks. Okay, now if you go to the daily time frame, as you can see, I've already noted this area, this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, and you can clearly see how beautifully we are respecting this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, now if you see the price go up, expect it to have some resistance at the 44,500 area. Okay, if it does break this level, because this area will be a area of resistance. Okay, wherever this area is, the price, wherever it comes in, is about 41,100 or 40,000, about, yeah, 41,000, around those areas. Okay, so if we get above the 41,300, then yeah, it can go all the way up to 44,000. Okay, if this time if it moves towards the upside. Okay, now uh, let's see. But yeah, overall I'm still bullish with Bitcoin, because I don't see that why it would break this support line. Okay, and this support line is a pretty interesting support in my viewpoint, because you can clearly see it has always held this support. And I've seen a lot of people, say that it is going to 25,000, going to 20,000. Yeah, it can happen, but I believe it will be a quick move towards the down, and then it's going to move back up. Because you can see in the monthly time frame, it moves down, but it comes back in this channel, and so on. Okay, and over here, this was an overextension. It went up, a fear of missing out, then it came back in. That's why every time it went up again, it hit this resistance line. Okay, came back down, hit the resistance, came back down. So next move, whenever we have this bull market, there is a chance we can hit about 170,000 to 175,000 in dollar value. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is it for today. Hopefully you liked my video, and give me those likes if you got some new information out of it, and subscribe to my channel. Your likes are really important. That means that I need to keep making these kind of videos. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.